front of you lies a ball. The rules are simple. Squeak it 10 times. But here's the catch. Each squeak brings joy. Each squeak brings temptation. Can you resist the urge, or will your craving for chaos betray you? You have 1 minute. Let the squeaking begin.
I don't think I want to play this game. You go ahead, Jobby.
Game over. You have failed miserably, you were told. 10 squeaks. You chose 6. You let the ball win. Wild and gave it to temptation. The result of your failure is a lifetime of baths.
Wait, a lifetime of what? Did you say baths? I didn't know the stakes were that high. I thought it was just a fun little game, not a soap sentence. Jigsaw doesn't mess around.